It's signed.
Thank you. Maria, I'm waiting for Natasha to testify too. I forgot to tell her I was coming over.
Yeah. Miss Bidu, are you there?
Yes, sir, ma'am.
No, that's Miss Johnson. Miss Bidu.
Yes,
There.
Judge,
Here
I'm
we go.
here.
Here we go. All right. Let's everybody. Okay. Uh, this is called number 2021-18989 in the interest of Connor Johnson. All parties and witnesses, please put your videos on and unmute yourselves and raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes.
All right, all right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Katherine Johnson. I'm Connor Johnson's mother.
All right, and representing the Attorney General.
Kavita Sharma.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Bobby Ward Johnson. Mr. Johnson appeared in court on December 1st, 2021 and signed a reset order setting this matter for a Zoom hearing video conference today. And he has not checked in. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Ms. Bidu.
Okay.
Bidu, please state your name for the court and where you're employed.
Natasha Bidu, the Office of the Attorney General, Child Support Division.
And what do you do with the Child Support Division?
I'm a child support officer.
Can you tell me what are your duties and responsibilities?
One of my duties is to calculate or investigate, non-custodial parent wage information and calculate guideline child support and retroactive child support if necessary.
And this is in compliance with the Texas Family Code, correct?
That's correct.
And have you had an opportunity to review and calculate child support in this matter?
Yes.
Can you please share your calculations?
The non-custodial parent's gross is $4,110.95 monthly. The non-custodial parent has 3 obligated cases. So child support, giving credit for those 3 obligated children, child support would be $495 with health insurance and $92 per month. And that will be beginning April 1st, 2022.
And have you had an opportunity to also calculate any retroactive child support? And if so, what are the dates and amounts?
Yes, I have. The non-custodial parents' wage information varied over the period from April 1st, 2017 until now, including wages as well as unemployment benefits. The total child support, the total retroactive child support judgment is $19,471. And the payout amount for that, hold on one second.
I believe it was 148. Is that
148, beginning April 1st, 2022.
Thank you. Is that the conclusion of your testimony, Ms. Badu?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
Ms. Johnson, do you have any questions of Ms. Badu?
No, sir.
Do you have any objection to her being excused?
I don't have any, she can be excused.
Okay, Ms. Sharma, is that all right with you?
Yes, Judge. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Badu.
Thank you.
Excuse Ms. Badu.
Thank you.
All right, call your next witness, please.
I'd like to call Catherine Johnson next, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ms. Johnson, are you married? Are you currently married?
Yes, sir. Or yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
It's okay. And who are you married to?
Bobby Johnson.
And was your child born before or after your marriage to Mr. Johnson?
My son was born of May 2007, and me and Bobby were married August 3rd of 2007. Connor was born after the marriage or before the marriage.
Before the marriage?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible that anyone else could be the father of the child?
No, ma'am.
So are you asking the court to establish a legal relationship between Mr. Johnson and your son?
Yes, ma'am.
And what date were you and Mr. Johnson separated?
Oh, I don't have an exact date. It's been over 9 years.
Over 9 years, and
Yes, ma'am.
attempted to file for a divorce during those 9 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you agree that you and Mr. Johnson have a healthy, positive co-parenting relationship when it comes to your son?
Yeah, when it comes to our son, we have a normal relationship. I mean, we agree. He doesn't really fight me on things. I've always had Connor. Since we've left, he never even fought me for Connor. So,
okay. And are you asking the court to? Thank you. Are you asking the court to establish both parents as joint managing conservators?
will we both take care of Connor? I don't know what that
Yes.
means. I'm sorry.
Remember,
Yes,
we
but
discussed joint managing conservators where both parents have legal rights to the child.
okay, that's the papers we went over.
Yes.
Okay, then yes, I fully agree.
Okay. And since this order has been signed, which county do you live in right now?
I live in Montgomery County.
And which county does Mr. Johnson reside in?
I believe, what is it? I believe it's Hardin County, Jasper County, San Jacinto County. He's kind of on like, he's in Rye. So he's kind of like on a borderline.
And where does your son primarily live right now?
He lives with me in Conroe.
And are you asking the court to make you the primary conservator and you can determine where the child lives without regard to geographic location?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to establish a standard visitation order between the son and Mr. Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
In regards to health insurance, how is your child covered under health insurance?
Connor is covered under Medicaid for disability, so his Medicaid will never turn off.
And are you, you understand the court will order you to maintain that health insurance going forward?
Yes, ma'am. I can turn it off anyways, even if I wanted to.
And you're asking the court to order that Mr. Johnson reimburse that at $92 a month, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If there are any uncovered health costs, do you agree to pay half of those?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order child support at $495 a month, beginning April 1?
Yes, ma'am.
As far as retroactive child support, you heard Ms. Badu testify for the amount of $19,471. Does that amount also include a direct payment that you're giving Mr. Johnson credit for in the amount of $350?
Yes, ma'am. And it's through Cash Apps.
And you're asking the court to approve that and set a payout at $148 a month beginning April 1, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And if court costs are billed, who should pay those?
I believe Bobby should pay them.
And you've reviewed and signed this order today and believe it's in the best interest of your son?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Are you asking the
He's
court
here
to
with me,
approve that
so
order?
every question you've asked, I've asked him, and he's agreed with all of it.
Thank you. And are you asking the court to approve this order today?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Johnson, you are free to go.